Now center. Right on through the center. Come on. Yeah. That's it. That's look.
Don't worry, we're fine. We're still here. Everything's okay. Just don't be worried, all right? We had a great time this weekend. We decided to go out towards the Petite Nation river. We met a couple really fine gentlemen, Julian and Derik, and we did a really cool set of rapids. We did Les Portes de l'Enfer, which is the Hell's Gates in English. And these two guys took us down and were really kind. We learned a whole lot, and yeah, it was just so much fun. I would do it over and over again.
You want to try that? Nice.
We'll try to ferry and then we'll take it over here.
All right. Woo! Good job, Steve.
Alright, so this time we can just put our nose in.
Yeah, like you want to go in?
Yeah.
Okay. Woo! That was great, man. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Keep drawing. Keep drawing. There you go. Okay, draw. Okay, draw again. That's it. There you go. Keep going. That's it. Good job. Okay, draw. Okay, draw. Yeah. There you go. Woo! Ah, that was a good one.
And once you're stable, then you can...
Okay.
Nice.
Got it.
Back down, and if we want to do like an S turn over the other side, then you can start that. I'll call it out for you. Don't paddle too hard. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Yeah, turn. Okay. Paddle forward. Yeah, that's it.
Smooth, you guys look so smooth.
Thanks,
So
man.
smooth.
Thanks a lot. Woo! Woo! Yeah, see.
You want me to have you carry it this time? You sure?
Sure.
Okay.
Draw. Okay. Draw. Draw. Never mind. Too late, baby. Too late. Fuck. Yeah.
Sorry.
Swim. Yeah.
Oh.
Ah.
you go. How's it feel?
Woo! Better that route now?
No bruises.
All good.
When you slid forward, you go
Yeah.
like this. Well, tie straps, you'd still be locked
Exactly.
in, ready to move.
Yeah.
Do shit out of fear. Humans do shit out of fear and out of love.
Yeah.
Do more things out of love,
Yeah, true, eh?
right? That was just like
Yeah.
a fun little session already. I can
Oh,
go
yeah.
now and be happy.
Oh,
How you doing?
she's windy today. Ah, I'm good for now, I think. Back paddle. Whoa, whoa. There you go.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Eddie?
We'll be heading on the river, right?
Right?
Yeah. Okay, I'll get you paddle other side, Phoebe. Yeah. Eddie out with him or? Okay, we'll go. We'll go. Okay. We're gonna eddy out to the right near the branches, okay? Sure. Yeah, we could just go with it actually. And just back paddle maybe. Yeah, this is easy. Okay, we'll eddy out right in front of Julian. Okay. Okay, straight ahead. Okay, Eddie. There we go. Oh shit. Fuck, my shoe came off. This side back? Okay. Maybe pull up on this side? Yeah. That's it. Sorry, bud. Sorry. There. Sorry, my fucking shoe came off.
I got it. You can let go. I got it.
Okay. Wow, sorry about that.
Alright, alright.
Jeez. Thank you.
Not expecting that.
There we go.
Next, baby.
I see. Wait.
Oh, sorry.
That's alright. I just want to see. Good.
It's okay. We're gonna breathe for a little minute. There you go.
Oh, thanks, man.
No problem. No problem. It's all good.
Oh,
Also, you don't have to run the rapid. None of rapids. Even the tiniest one, you never
cool,
have
man.
to run it.
Thanks, man.
It's always, if you feel it, if you don't feel it, then
Thanks. Appreciate
you
it.
do whatever you want.
Are you doing? You warm enough?
Yeah, I'm totally fine.
Warming up? You okay?
Thanks for the jacket. Yeah, you keep your body.
You can see here, we were in really good hands. I felt a little bad about our skill level. I didn't want to be a nuisance or anything like that, but I'm really happy about the dudes we went out with, and I couldn't thank these guys any more for how well and how kind they treated us throughout all of this. It was just so much fun.
Right here?
Right?
Right there, right behind that rock.
Where there's a bit of
After that road, we aim left. River left is much smoother than river right.
Okay.
But if you find yourself going sideways through those little bumps, just strain off the canoe.
Okay.
keep it slow as we can, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, fine. I'll stay right there.
Awesome.
Whatever you guys do, I'm right behind you.
Okay. Sounds good.
And,
I think we'll try it. I think we'll try and just send it.
yeah, I think it'll be just about heat management today.
Yeah.
For the rest of the trip.
Right on, right on.
You got dry clothes in the barrel.
Oh,
You got
good.
big
Yeah.
covers, you got all
Yeah.
that
Maybe
stuff.
if you, because it's gonna be, anyway, we'll figure it out later. But maybe
Okay.
we'll get dressed halfway.
Okay. Thanks a lot, man. Get over left. Yeah. Okay. Ready? Start to draw now. Cross draw. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Too far, too far, too far, too far. Okay, bring us right. Yeah. There we go. Now center. Right on through the center. Come on. Yeah. That's it. That's it. Center it up. Left, left, left. Go left. Woo! Okay, bring it right. That's it. Good job, Pete. Woo! Good job, my girl. Let's get under the edge over here. Paddle left. Yeah, because we got a good amount of water in us. Ah, we did it, man. That was it. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Oh, it grabs you, eh?
Like, that's
Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Nice, man. This is great.
We'll take it easy for the rest and go get warmed up.
Oh, this is awesome.
Mission accomplished.
Hell yeah.
Everything else is.
What an
We already
achievement.
won the day.
Yeah, exactly.
So thanks
man.
again to Julian and Derik. Guys, this is just so much fun. And we're really hoping to get back out in springtime. And we really need some dry suits. It was really cold there, but man, I just had so much adrenaline going. It felt like I couldn't even feel the cold.
Yeah, dry suits for next year for sure, but it's super fun time.
Paddle tap.
I'll tap. Woo!